What's up guys, I'm Natalie Delgado and this is my first YouTube video. Today's video is going to be consisting of my everyday makeup tutorial of all of the products I use, and it's going to be consisting of a get to know me. If you guys want to see this full look, this finished look, then keep on watching. The first step is moisturizer, and I use a cheap moisturizer because I use so many high-end moisturizers. Like I use La Mer, I used what else did I use? I don't remember, but this one is hands down the best one I have ever used. This is the Pond's Dry Skin Cream Rich Hydrating Facial Moisturizer. This is what it looks like. Called this 2 flat end brush, so I'm going to use the bigger side and just dip in because I don't really like using my fingers, and this I don't use this brush for anything else besides this. So first off, I'm just the second step is the Marc Jacobs. I obviously have the packaging right here. This is what the packaging looks like. This is the Marc Jacobs Undercover Perfecting Coconut Facial Primer, and I absolutely love this. It's on the pricier side for primers, but I honestly recommend this so much because it makes your skin look so like flawless at the end when you look at the end of your makeup. But yeah, it just makes your skin look so flawless, and it covers all of the pores. So man, I love this so much. And this video is like also a get to know me because it obviously is my first YouTube video. So I am going to be talking about like myself and what this channel is going to be consisting of. So yeah, I just put the primer all over my face, and obviously I look so dewy, and yeah, that primer is for more like drier skin. So if you have dry skin, I do recommend that primer. We're going to be moving on to foundation now. So my absolute favorite foundation at the moment is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation. It's kind of light. I don't know if you that is the foundation, and I am in the shade 190, and there are a lot of dupes for this. I know that you can get the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and it's like this. I remember when I first got into makeup, I used to use that foundation, and it works like exactly like this, but I think this one's a little bit more matte in my opinion, so that's why I use this one. Yes, I am in the shade 190, and I am actually really light. So yeah, and if you want to go for a lighter foundation in full coverage wise, you can go with the Fit Me, because the Fit Me is obviously like $7 to $10, and this one is $34. So I mean, I do recommend this one, but if you want to go for a less pricier one, you can obviously go with the Fit Me one too. So let's just get on with it. So I'm just gonna be putting the foundation on the back of my hand. I'll do a pump first, and then if I need more, obviously I'm gonna need more, I'm gonna put more. So I'm just gonna stick my brush in. I'm just gonna go in. I'm gonna put 2 more pumps on my hand. So the next thing I'm going to be going in with, I know it's a little bit lighter, but it will get better, I promise. I'm going to be going in with the Laura Mercier. Everybody has this. If you love makeup and you know about makeup, you obviously have this. I think everybody really has this. This is the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. And usually people for like brushes, they usually like get their beauty blender and go under the eyes, but I think that looks way too cakey on me. So that's why I use this contour brush. And I like to use a contour brush because I like to just go under my eyes and go where I'm most like dewy and stuff. So yeah, just gonna be going in with that. And this retails for $38, which is not too bad for a really good setting powder, in my opinion. So you can obviously go with the FENTY setting powder too. I've never tried it, but I heard really good reviews on it. So, and this brush is the NYX contour brush, and this is $20, which is not bad for a contour brush because contour brushes are a little bit harder to find. And obviously you gotta blend into your neck because that's gonna look super weird if you have a completely different color right here and you know, it looks separated. So that is the finished product with the translucent setting powder. So my eyelashes are really long, but they're straight and they like to go down sometimes, and I can only use waterproof mascara on my top lashes, or else if I use regular mascara, my eyelashes will just like fall down, and I hate that. But I mean, I did find my favorite mascara, so I'm just gonna be curling my eyelashes. Squeeze about 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Hold that third one for 5 seconds. And squeeze 2 more times. And that's how I get the mascara. And my eyelashes are super long. But this is the Maybelline Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. This is $6.99. I love this mascara so much. After I put on a few layers of this mascara, I like to go in with the same brand as the eyelash curler. I just like to go in with this, and it separates your eyelashes from all of the clumps. And I honestly don't have clumps right now, but I like to separate them just so they look a little bit more fanned out and pretty. Now that my top eyelashes are done, I'm going to be doing my bottom lashes. This is the Lancome High Definition Mascara, and the mini one is $13. And I think the full one, I don't know how much the full one is, but I remember me getting the mini one because I absolutely thought that the wand looked amazing. So this is what the wand looks like. So for the mini one, this one is $13. And the reason why I'm telling you guys the prices is so you guys know how much each product retails for. So yes, I'm going to be just putting them on my bottom lashes. So after I've done the top eyelashes with the other mascara and the bottom lashes with this mascara, my eyelashes look obviously stunning, and I love, yeah. So if you know me, I don't like doing my eyebrows. Sometimes I put eyebrow gel on them, but I usually just go in with a eyebrow comb or a spoolie, sorry, I couldn't think of it. So after I combed out my eyebrows, the next step is the cheeks. Yeah, so this is the Balm Cosmetics Balm Springs Blush. Really, it's like cool toned and it's kind of peachy, but it's still pinky. It's like a blossom color, which I think is so cute. Like, in the packaging on the Balm Cosmetics is always the bomb. Always the bomb. Like, this is the packaging of it. I think it's so cute. So I'm gonna be going in just like 2 taps. That's it. Tapping it off and going on the back of my hand and just going like that. Just to tap off any other like blush. So I'm just gonna go in. So I'm going to be going in with the Flower Beauty Shimmer and Strobe, like I said. And this palette retails for $14, which is not bad at all because these highlighters, oh my goodness, I'm like highlighter queen, bro. I don't really like any palettes that come with like brushes. I don't like to use them because this palette, I mean, this brush, first of all, you can't do anything with it if you try to put on highlighter. I'm going to be going in with the gold, and I'm going to be using the Morphe M510 brush and just dipping into the gold, tapping it off and going in. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. I barely even touched my skin. That's crazy. I love highlighter so much. Yeah, amazing, amazing, amazing. This is the FENTY Beauty Gloss Balm. See how pretty that is? I'm going to be getting on to the last thing, which is the setting spray. The Too Faced Peach Setting Spray, and this retails for $32, and I really like the setting spray. I do have the Tarte Ready Set Radiant one, but this one's really good too because this one smells like peaches. So yeah, I really like this one. So you just kind of have to shake it so no white dots get on you. Shake, 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 shake. And I will be doing some videos of like get ready with me and you know and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna be, I love putting on setting spray. I love setting spray so much. If you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed the everyday makeup routine and all of the products I shared with you guys today, then you can give this a like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications, and I'll see you guys in my next video.